So this is my video presentation on the STEM midterm. This presentation is about what I found that slows the melting of ice. The models and task. So the task was to slow down the melting of the ice the most I possibly could. So these are my models. I technically made 6, but like the ones on the far left are kind of just a control, but I did record them in my data table. So I tested these models by laying them out on my table with a stopwatch running. Also, I forgot to tell this, but let's see. So the one on the far right is lined with parchment paper. The ones in the middle have 1 tablespoon of sugar on them. And yeah, I was hoping that that would maybe slow down the melting. Also, the models on the left are the cold bowls, and the models on the right are the room temperature bowls. Here are my data tables. Yeah, you can pause it here to look at them if you want. And in conclusion, the best design was definitely lining the bowl with parchment paper. And I would assume that if I added a tablespoon of sugar, that it would extend the amount of time it takes for the ice to melt. But yeah. The evidence is quite clear on the data tables. The parchment paper just lasted longer compared to the other ones. My reasoning on why the parchment paper performed so well, or my guess, really, is because the ice makes the air gap in between the parchment paper and bowl cold, which transfers the coldness in a way to the ice again. And this would be important for the city because it would be very simple to just line the ice containers with parchment paper, and it would be very effective. Thanks for listening, and yeah.